What's up, y'all? Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming at you today with this 91 Toyota HiAce Super Custom. And it's a four-wheel drive model. Which means it's a LH107 chassis. Short wheelbase, shortest HiAce of this generation. Diesel motor, 2.8 liter, 3L model diesel. I've talked about it before. Essentially indestructible motor. This one has automatic transmission, as do, I would say, 95% of these super custom models. If you want a manual transmission, pretty hard to find. You probably have to go with a LH119, which is the Super GL. More common for the vans used in industry, so the longer wheelbase or cargo style, to have the manual transmission. But it does have four-wheel drive and high and low range, which is a big plus. Gray interior. We're clocking 121,000 kilometers on this guy. I believe that's about 75,000 miles. To engage the four-wheel drive, right there, push button. And then there's the high and low range shifter. I'll go ahead and start it up for you, something I haven't done too much in these videos. Key goes in, you turn it to the on position, and right now the glow plugs are warming up. It has an automatic glow plug circuit. You hear the beeping. Once it's beeping, then you can turn it. And as you can hear, it starts right up. So the best part about these HiAce vans is their reliability, and the fact that the parts are readily available, unlike some of the other JDM vans out there. This HiAce was in production, this generation at least, until 2005. So parts will be available for longer, or at least more readily available for longer. You can always find the parts, it's just a matter of how much searching you have to do. And a lot of the parts happen to be shared with Toyota 4Runner, or Surf as you guys call them overseas. We call them 4Runner here in the States. And the Toyota pickup from the early 90s. In fact, that Toyota pickup from the early 90s and Surf also had that 2.8 liter 3L. Some of them had the 2LT turbo 2.4 liter, also a good motor. So you can see very clean interior, especially for something 25 years old. So a lot of work went into making this van road trip ready. The full timing belt job, water pump, thermostat, timing belt, idler and tensioner pulleys, oil seals, all fluids, all filters. We also did all the coolant hoses on this van. Suspension lift of about 2 inches, new all-terrain tires, Had a little pulsation in the front brakes. Rotors were within spec, so we turned them. Brake pads were like new, so just kind of maintenance with regards to the brakes. A little bit of paint, a little bit of body work. But if you're interested in something like this, definitely reach out and say hi. We are at Instagram, Vanlife Northwest, also Toyota Vans, and vanlifenorthwest.com. That's our home base, mothership there. Reach out, say hi. I've actually got a few of these HiAce Super Customs in the works. And like I said, these are probably my favorite for a lot of reasons. But certainly the size and mechanical reliability are at the top of the list there. Great styling too, if you ask me. Great ground clearance. You can really do a lot with these. You'd be surprised what these can do. For you people interested in Delicas, it's very comparable in size and off-road capability to a Delica, and a great alternative if that's what you're looking for. Love the Toyota platform. Anyway, y'all, have a good day. Take care. We'll see you soon. Peace.